Hi there! Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of supplements? How many supplements are you taking to try to heal your gut, balance your hormones, support your adrenals, balance your minerals, etc.? Or if you're a practitioner, how many supplements do you find yourself recommending to clients? And if they come to you expressing a particular symptom, is your first thought, what supplement should I give them? Well, if you are ready to stop the supplement madness, then this video is for you, so be sure to stick around. Hi there, I'm Sarah Korzenevsky, registered dietitian, functional medicine practitioner, transformational coach, and founder of The Organic Dietitian. I'm also collaborating business partner with Jen at the Wellness Code Academy. Today's discussion revolves around one of Jen's and my mission, to stop the supplement madness. What do I mean by that? Let me give you an example to contemplate. This is a story of a woman named Betty. She was dealing with a long list of chronic health issues for upwards of a decade. Things from chronic fatigue to digestive issues, hormonal imbalances, thyroid problems, sleep disturbances. You get the idea. And she quickly realized that conventional medicine really didn't have anything to offer her. So she sought a more functional and holistic approach, hoping that it would be the answer that she was looking for. So she started seeing practitioners who would run some functional labs, give her a list of supplements in the form of a protocol to follow, and a few of them might have recommended some diet tweaks and suggest that she implement some lifestyle interventions. All of which she was very diligent about doing. However, she didn't find herself any better, and in fact, over time, she found herself much worse and no longer able to tolerate any of the supplements that she was recommended, yet continued to take them in the hopes that they would eventually fix her. And by the end, she found herself on 32 supplements, spending around $850 a month. And she was no better off. So this is ultimately a common story that Jen and I hear from clients, and a common story that people on social media share with us has been their experience in the functional medicine world. Now, we're not saying that this is 100% of the case, but what we're saying here is that something has to change. And so we're on a mission to revamp functional medicine into something we like to call transformational medicine. So why are all these supplements a problem? Well, there are ultimately many reasons, and I actually created a YouTube video a while back called 8 Things to Know About Supplements. So I'll also drop the link down here below if you want to check that out. But the one issue with all of these supplements that I wanted to highlight today is the fact that when the body is ridden with accumulated stress and trauma, supplements add even more information that the body has to make sense of. And if it is already overwhelmed and overburdened, adding a litany of supplements is ultimately just going to tax an already taxed system further. And given the recent emphasis out in the health space today about nervous system regulation when it comes to healing from chronic illness, why isn't there more discussion on the possible physical factors that can actually influence a dysregulated nervous system, including too many and wrong supplements? In our current outdated functional medicine approach, supplements are often central to healing. And we often see people taking 10, 15, 20 supplements, spending hundreds of dollars per month, just as in the example with Betty. But when stress and trauma have overwhelmed the body, adding more supplements can actually do much more harm than good. Imagine trying to sort through a pile of paperwork when you're already burdened by deadlines. It's just too much. we can clearly see that this is not working for the long term. We need a new approach. The truth is, when it comes to supplements especially, less is often more. And sometimes in the very beginning of a healing journey in particular, that might actually mean no supplements at all until some degree of healing has taken place. We call this a blank slate. So can we please move away from the pill for every ill mindset, even when it comes to supplements? Let's focus on true healing. And if this intrigues you and you're interested in learning a truly functional transformational medicine approach, you can learn more about our programs in the information section below. I hope you enjoyed this discussion, and we'll see you in the next video.